How you can calculate how much money any YouTubers can make. If you're wondering how much money YouTubers make and how to become a YouTuber, you're in the right place. We'll go over the average YouTube pay rate and tips and tricks on how to create a successful YouTube channel. All you have to do is keep watching. If you are curious about this topic, in this channel you will learn: how much do YouTubers make per view? How much money do YouTubers make every 1,000 views? How much money does a YouTuber make per subscriber? How much money can a YouTuber make per video? How many views do YouTubers need to get paid? How much money does an advertiser pay per view? What other ways do YouTubers make money? How to make money on YouTube. How to calculate how much does any full YouTuber earnings. Approximately. In the past few years, creators of all backgrounds have flocked to YouTube to share their passions and content. One person in particular who has cashed in on the YouTube gold rush is PewDiePie. So how much does PewDiePie make? What content does PewDiePie make? To keep it short, here are the average earnings that PewDiePie makes per video, month, year, and net worth. This is estimated according to the source of wealth. PewDiePie's average earnings per video, $21,000. PewDiePie's average earnings per month, $940,000. PewDiePie's average earnings per year, $11.28 million. PewDiePie's net worth $30 minus $50 million. These are pretty mind-bending numbers considering this is one man playing video games online. This shows the power of the internet and YouTube. How can you calculate PewDiePie's earnings or other YouTubers? To understand the earnings of any YouTube channel, I will first break down how YouTubers earn money from their videos. On average, a typical YouTuber can expect to earn about $2 per 1,000 views they get on their videos. However, this can drastically rise or drop depending on people's interaction with the videos and the size of the channel. There is no exact formula for how you get paid on YouTube, many factors are in consideration. So in this video, I can give you a general idea of how much you could make, but that means nothing. YouTube pays you based on the number of people that watch 50% or more, or 30 seconds of an advertisement on the video. How much do YouTubers make per view? YouTubers can make anywhere between 1 cent to 3 cents per view with AdSense, with an average of 18 cents per view. However, the amount of money YouTube will pay depends on a variety of factors, such as the number of views your video receives, the number of clicks an ad receives, ad quality. The advertiser pays YouTube X amount of money per view and YouTube then pays you 55% of that money. Although YouTube traditionally kept its share of advertising income secret, it is now common knowledge that Google keeps 45% of YouTube advertising revenue. How much money do YouTubers make every 1,000 views? CPM. With the average YouTube pay rate hovering between 1 cent, many point to this 0.01 cause it means $10 per 1,000 and 3 cents for an ad view. A YouTuber can make around $18 per 1,000 ad views, which comes out to $3 to $5 per 1,000 video views. Forbes also estimates that for top talent, a YouTuber can make about $5 for every 1,000 video views. But this drastically changes depending on what ads is blaster in your video, or what kind of content you create. Not all content are equal. With that said, creating a YouTube channel can be a great side hustle, especially if you produce engaging content that attracts a large audience. How much money does a YouTuber make per subscriber? I know many YouTubers are obsessed with their subscribers, and many go from channel to channel doing the famous sub x sub. If you want to grow that way, then go ahead. I don't have anything versus that way, it's just that I don't like that. I think it causes more problems than benefits, so please don't subscribe to this channel and then say subscribe back. YouTube does not pay you based on the number of subscribers you have on your channel. Subscribers are people who choose to follow your account so that they can have easy access to your latest videos. When you post a video, it will automatically show up on their homepage. So in this case many think, then is good to do sub x sub, well is up to everyone, but you need to be clear then the majority of the sub per sub person will not watch your video and YouTube use a metric where it calculates how many of your subscribers watch your videos. So in reality, if you do sub x sub you don't have a clear point of view if what you do is right or not according to the niche of your channel. Subscribers are valuable because they're the ones who will most likely comment, like, and share your videos with even more people. That means you can gain more views and potentially more YouTube money if you place the right ads. Then let me clarify something here. If you find a collaborator, one then wish to work with you, and collaboratively support your work, then go ahead and subscribe to that person, cause those will help you grow your channel. If you want to start from scratch or want to be a content creator, subscribe to this channel so we can help you in your journey. How much money can a YouTuber make per video? The amount of money a YouTuber can make per video depends on a variety of factors, such as the number of views they accumulate and how many Google ads that are displayed throughout their videos. Let's take the actual estimated pay rate of $5 per 1,000 views. A YouTube video with 1 million views can make upwards of $5,000. However, as previously noted, these are estimates, and some YouTubers may make more or less depending on the quality of the ad, click-through rate, and other factors. How many views do YouTubers need to get paid? To get paid by YouTube, you need to have a balance of $100 or more from views on ads on your videos. This means you'll need to get 20,000 views if you receive $5 per 1,000 views. The average estimated it is $2. To make this possible, you need to be enrolled in the YouTube Partner Program. If you want to know more about this, watch How to Make Money on YouTube. How much money do an advertiser pay per view? On average, businesses pay an average YouTube advertising cost of 10 cents to 30 cents per view or action, with an average $10 daily budget. That means every time someone views your ad or engages with your ad, like by clicking on a call to action, you pay around 10 cents to 30 cents. This YouTube advertising rate is only an average, though, so you may pay more or less. What other ways do YouTubers make money? Ad placements aren't the only way YouTubers make money and earn additional income. A YouTuber's salary comes from a variety of other sources. Here are some other options to supplement a YouTuber's income, like affiliate links, Amazon, eBay, Shopify, ClickBank, etc., etc. Merchandise, sponsorship, and patronage. How to make money on YouTube. Watch the video, How to Make Money on YouTube, link in the description below. How to calculate how much does any full YouTuber earnings? Approximately. How much money can you make with 300,000 views? Let's take the actual thing that matters from our equation of 300,000 views per video. 300,000 views, but what is your retention rate? What is the vertical you are in? Are you in something like gaming or computers where a massive majority of users have ad block? Yes, ad block. Many users use ad block, and this means that your ad in your video can be blocked on YouTube. Do you cater to younger crowds that are blind and skip as soon as humanly possible? So let's say you are in the best niche possible and you have a 1% total ad engagement for your 300,000 views. That would be 3,000 payable views on that video, which you are making about $0.004 per view or around $9. Do that 2x per day and you are making $18 a day with a 1% paid rate. It's not about increasing views, it's about increasing the engagement on the channel overall. Getting views, subscribers, likes, comments, all that is needed. You have to market yourself and get the community built, but trying to plan like this to get to a specific number is exactly the wrong way to go about this. Please, remember, you do not get paid for views, subscribers, likes, comments, shares. You only get paid when someone watch an advertisement for over 50% or 30 seconds. Increasing the number of people who watch ads surrounding your video is how you get paid. Law of averages is why people give you a number. The statistics show that if you get X number of views you can make X amount of money, but it's all estimated science because the real world doesn't work that way. The real world has humans that do everything they cannot be advertised. Subscribers don't matter. Likes don't matter. Views and watch it are important, but doesn't matter how much you can make. To be pay, a person needs subscribers or casual viewers, watch one of the ads, displaying in your video for 30 seconds or more, interact with the ads, like clicking the ads or watch that ads more than 50% of the ad's length. Now the metric used to calculate these views is CPM, or 1,000 mile per view. Or cost per mile. The average is $2 earned per 1,000 views. This is an example and does not constitute your actual earnings, cause this earning vary depending on many factors, it will be more or less. I will use an average here as a good salary per person in the United States. To put that into perspective, an average individual income in the USA is around $55,000. Since defining what is good, in terms of good salary, is very subjective. You may say $55,000 times 2 equals $110,000 is a good salary in some parts of the USA. But the truth is many in the USA not even make $20,000 a year. But the majority always said the same thing, 500.00 or more per week is good. So approximately everyone has the same good, around $25,000 per year as a good salary. I take into consideration a normal person in the USA, not those that make $55,000, cause those are not the majority. As an example, a police officer only earn a leader more than $20 per hour in all over the United States, inclusive some state pay less than $20 per hour, so the $55,000 good salary it can be reduced. Normal, a good salary for a normal person it will be around $25 per year, and not everyone makes that. According to the Bureau of Economic of the USA, in 2019, median household income was $63,030. With this statistic, the regular a good salary per year per person is around $25,000. According to National Occupational Employment, between $25,000 up to $30,000 was the median salary in 2019. So how can you make a good salary on YouTube according to those statistics? If you want to make around $500,000 per year, you need one video per day with 700,000 views. 700,000 views per video *1 upload a day equals 700,000 views. 700,000 views, 1,000 CPM equals 700. 700 $2 average equals $1,400 a day. 365 days $1,400 a day equals $511,000 a year. Now if you want the median salary of the USA you will need 2 videos per day 18,000 views. OR. 1 video per day 36,000 views. OR. 1 video per week around 250,000 views. 18,000 views per video *2 uploads a day equals 36,000 views. 36,000 1,000ths equals 36. 36 $2 equals $72 a day. 365 days $72 a day equals $26,280 a year. And here we came to the point where this is an estimate of your earnings. Many other ways can be around to make money with YouTube than not necessarily it means YouTube ads. You cannot just post a video on YouTube and hope it earns you cash. This would not work even if you were lucky enough for the video to go viral. Everybody is talking about going viral, but understand you can go viral, and even with that you have the possibility then not make money. The main point here, does not centralize everything around YouTube ads. Build a real community and work around YouTube monetization alternatives available right now. You are awesome. Need advice on growing your YouTube channel? Want more views and subscribers? Then join our channel. We can grow together. Have a wonderful day. And I will see you next time.